We're going to be leaving this morning to go to Conway, South Carolina to help with storm restoration. They've asked for our assistance to go up there with anticipating the power outages. This is our second time going up there. We went up there last year at this time to help them out, and they requested our assistance again. It gives us an opportunity to go ahead and help those people out because they have come down and helped us out last year with Michael, so we're just returning the favor.